In primetime news this evening, government ministries ordered to supply Attorney General's office with outstanding documents. And that should be the Auditor General's office with outstanding documents, rather.
Normalcy restored to public hospitals after protest by junior doctors.
And NCB says investigation still ongoing into Uber issue. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. And with a preview now of what's to come in business news, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, this evening we have some good news for motorists because gas prices are going down tomorrow. Plus, there's also some good news for Irish potato farmers. Those and more in the business day.
And is there good news or bad news in sports? Jermaine Brown is here with what's coming up. You know it's Jermaine, so I'm going to call it The Big Show.
Thanks, Archie. Some good news. A rarity, but the West Indies, yes, they're doing well. And, they're going for a clean sweep of Bangladesh in their one-day international series. We'll give you more a bit later on.
And speaking of good news, it was a beautiful day today, Archie.
It's nice and cool.
Yeah. Yes, it is. So, Romain, what's going to happen tomorrow and the rest of the week?
Conditions remain much as they are, or much as they were today, as they will be for the next couple of days. But we are expecting some shower activity as we move into the start of next week.
See, it's a little happier. So it's great today instead of black. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and the weather report and forecast in detail later on in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we are asking, what measures are you taking to protect yourself and property from criminals?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.